Happy New Year! And to celebrate, we're making these 2 easy DIY party poppers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts! To make the party poppers, you will need empty toilet paper rolls, tissue or crepe paper, balloons, raffia ribbon or twine, stickers or confetti, candy, scissors, tape, glue, and a box cutter. Party popper number 1, the slingshot. Start by cutting your toilet paper roll in half with a box cutter, or if you can, scissors. Then grab a balloon and cut off the top bit. Then tie the long end of the balloon into a knot. Put the balloon on top of the toilet paper roll like this, then tape it down. Then take a strip of decorative paper and wrap it around the toilet paper roll like this. Since we use tissue paper, we used 2 layers, but you don't have to if you use decorative paper. Secure it with a little glue. Then fold in the excess paper, giving it a neat edge. Then glue down the sides. These party poppers are so easy that you can make multiple in no time at all. To use them, fill them up with confetti or stickers, then pull back on the balloon and release, just like a slingshot. Party popper number 2, the bonbon. Cut your toilet paper roll in half. Then take some decorative paper and put the 2 halves of the toilet paper roll on top. Then fill them up with candy or chocolates. Wrap the decorative paper around the 2 halves of the toilet paper roll. Then using some twine, tie a knot or 2 on the sides to keep it from unraveling. And true to its name, the party popper looks like a cute little bonbon. And these are our 2 party poppers.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy this video.
Bye!